This is LEPOWER. It's a 14 by 5.5 by 17 inch light. Now this light is 650 lumens with 5 color modes, 7 brightness level, 20, 40, 60 and auto timer. Aluminum material with 5 volt, 1 amp dual USB charging power ports. Let's open this up, show you what it looks like. We get a power supply with a DIN cable that is 6 feet long that you can plug into any outlet you like. Center back of the unit is your power supply. The light lights up. Extending the arm is flexible in many ways. Eye-carrying lighting. The LED office lamp adopts the Samsung LED lamp beads and give off the light without flickering and blue rays. Easy on the eyes. 50% wider LED panel. Large light panel of the office desk lamp increases the light area to 48 inches. Central aluminum reaches up to 1300 lux and gives off 650 LM brightness, creating a better lighting effect and shining more evenly. The unit has a memory and timer of 20, 40, and 60 minutes. It has a brightness level of 10% up to 100%, a sliding panel that lights up. A USB charging port of 1 amp that you can take any device and plug it into and will charge up. 20, 40, and 60 minutes are the presses, while when you turn the light on and you want to memorize one of the modes, you simply press, adjust the light, and hold down on the memory button. The next time you turn the light on to a different setting and brightness and you hit that memory button, it goes directly to that setting. The 3-axis design. It folds back just about like 95 degrees, 105, and it folds all the way down, up, and any way you want to get the light, like so. It's got a rubber base on the bottom, a pad that will grip the base and not slide around very heavily. The on and off button is very easy for the touch. You have a memory mode of different levels of lighting. So if you want to have a lesser Kelvin to a brighter Kelvin and so forth, and adjust the levels of light, you can do so. It is brushed aluminum, silver, chrome looking by LEPOWER. And when you don't want to use it, just simply turn it off, unplug it, fold it down, and store it away for another day. The light's not heavy, it's portable, made for anywhere you want for a desk.